Hello. So today in algebraic expressions and identities, we would learn the expansion of a cube plus b cube. We would also go through the proof and we would derive how we find out its answer. So okay, don't worry, I'll try to make it simple for you. And okay, let's see what I can teach you today. A little bit of introduction. I have a Master of Science from the University of Washington, and I work in the software industry. And it's a new channel, so please like and subscribe to help increase my reach and get me more audience. Thank you. Okay, so we'll do a cube plus b cube. If you expand it, I would show you the formula first and then we'll do the derivation. This is the final result. Now let us do the derivation. So the small trick, if you want to do its derivation, you have to start from the right hand side. So let us see what we get from the result of the right hand side. Starting from this, we would reach this, okay? If you take this multiplication, it comes out as first a into we would multiply a with this whole thing, then we would multiply b with this whole thing, okay? So a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, we are first multiplying a with this whole thing. Now we are multiplying b with this whole thing, which is a square minus ab plus b square. If you further solve it, it comes as this thing comes as a cube minus a square b plus ab square. This part comes as a square b minus ab square plus b cube. Now this a square b cancel out with this a square b, and this ab square cancels out with this ab square. And what you get? A cube plus b cube, which is nothing but the same as our left hand side here. So like I had said, we started from the right hand side and we reached the left hand side. So guys, when I was your age and when I was a student, even I had learned the same way. So this is how students learn this formula and how to derive LHS is equal to RHS. So please try to practice it a few times and you'll get the hang of it. Okay. Now let us suppose A is 2 and B is 3, and let us do A cube plus B cube, which means 2 cube plus 3 cube. Okay. First, I mean, you can easily calculate this. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, and the answer is 35. Now let us do it with the formula. 2 cube plus 3 cube equal to 8 plus 27 is 35. Let us try to do the same thing with formula. So uh, let us say 2 cube plus 3 cube. What was the answer for what was this thing? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So 2 cube plus 3 cube, where 2 is a and 3 is b, it comes as a square, which is 2 square, minus a multiplied by b, which is 2 multiplied by 3, plus b square, which is uh, 3 square. And this thing has to be multiplied by a plus b, which is 2 plus 3. So this 2 plus 3 comes at as 5. This is 5. And you multiply it with 4 minus 6 plus 9, which is 5 into 7. 4 minus 6 plus 9 is 7. So 5, which is 35. This 35 is the same 35 which we had derived without using the formula. So you see, the results using the formula and the results without using the formula are the same. So I hope that is clear to you. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comments and I'll try to answer it. And if you want me to make a video on any other concept or any other formula of algebra or any other topic of maths, just let me know in the comments and I'll make it for you. Okay. And thank you. Be good in the world. Bye bye.